Hello and welcome to Teco Middle East Group. In this video we will show you our new project which is installed in Qassion Mall in Damascus, Syria. This project intends to monitor the electrical network of the mall and provide billing functionality for the electrical energy consumption. We have used Teco E20 power meter as we have installed 31 power meters in this site. The data is visualized by Reliance SCADA software that provide us with real-time monitoring, chart analysis, and printable reports. Then, the data is transferred to AVE software, which provides the billing functionality and let the user check his consumptions using AVE mobile application. We can access here the electrical measures in these buttons for each shop. By clicking these buttons, we can see here the electrical parameters of the network for each phase. Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. The parameters which are measured by the meters are active power, reactive power, apparent power, and the harmonics ratio over the voltage and current signal. And here the voltage and current values. These parameters are typical for each phase here, and the meter measures the total power or overall power for all of the network. And here the electrical consumption for each type of power: active energy consumption, reactive energy consumption, and apparent energy consumption. And here the power meter measures the power factor and the frequency of the electrical network. In addition to that, we have here the line voltage of the network. The software enables us to do some statistical calculations over the consumption values, such as calculating the consumption during a specific interval of time. Here, by clicking Calculate, we can see the active energy consumption during this period. And by clicking Chart Page, we can access the page for showing bar charts for the active and reactive energy consumption during specified intervals over time. We have 6 types of bar charts: hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, annual, and 1-month chart. We also show reports of these types of charts which we can print them. We can also set threshold values or set points values for the active and reactive power, and the values which are greater than the threshold will be colored in purple and red here. We can set the threshold for this meter here for reactive and active energy. Here in the main page, we can calculate the active and reactive consumption during specific intervals as well, but for the checked meters here. We can check all of the meters, so we can calculate the consumption of all meters, or we can select some meters here and calculate their consumption. We can also compare between 2 power meters here by also using bar charts, the same types: hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, annual, and 1 month. We can here select the meter which we want to compare with it, as we can see. This page is the current alarm events which the software provides. Here, we can see our current alarms and events. And here we can select the day which we want to show charts. Here we can see that the values are changed. As we can see here. And here, as we previously stated, we can set the thresholds but for all of the meters here, instead of setting the threshold for one power meter. To do that, we should disable auto update here. Select here if we should update the active or reactive energy threshold. And by clicking this button, we can show the total report, which contains the monthly consumption for all meters. Here we select October and 2018. And here we can see the report. This chart shows the active energy consumption from the beginning of the project installation. The data from the meters which are read by this software are also transferred to another software called AVE, which provides the billing functionality. Here we can see the meters or the shops. So we can generate auto billing reports and send them to the customers. To show one invoice, we can see here the invoice which has the cost of the electrical consumption for this meter. Thank you for watching.